Hi, I'm Lou, and today we're going to make a strawberry avocado smoothie. In the recipes that I make for smoothies, they will not have a lot of sugar. I'm trying to cut back on sugar and add more protein. Let's get started. First, we are going to start off with our 1/4 cup of almond milk. Next, we've got half an avocado. Now, avocados are great in smoothies because they are smooth and creamy and they're full of nutrients. These are frozen strawberries, which will be great in our smoothie. Next, we have our 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Again, this is lots of extra protein. Next, we're going to add lemon juice. This will really brighten up our smoothie. And finally, let's not forget our 1/4 cup of ice to help keep it nice and cold. I like to wear these to block out the noise of the blender. You might want to invest in some because it will really protect your hearing. Now it's time to try our thick and yummy smoothie. It's so tasty. It's thick like a milkshake. So this is not super sweet, but it's really healthy and great tasting.